Hello everybody. Now we are going to solve problem number 1.25 from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Syracuse 5th edition. The question is here: 1.5 kilowatt toaster takes roughly 3.5 minutes to heat 4 slices of bread. Find the cost of operating the toaster once per day for 1 month, that is 30 days. Assume energy cost 8.2 cents per kilowatt hour. Okay. So what is asked here? Cost. Find the cost. So we need to find the cost. This is the question. And what are all given here? 1.5 kilowatt toaster. So that is the power. Power is 1.5 kilowatt. For consuming that one, that is for operating a heater. So that is for operating a toaster for 3.5 minutes. Okay. So that is the time, right? So the time T is equal to 3.5 minutes per day actually. So it is being operated for 1 month. Then it is 30 days. Okay. So the total time is equal to 3.5 minutes per day into 30 days. So how much time? It is 105 minutes, right? This much minutes. But we need to convert it into hours. So divided by 60, that gives you hours. So that is 1.75 hours. Okay. Now coming to this, assume the energy cost 8.2 cents per kilowatt hour. That's what given. So we know the formula for energy. Energy is work done, right? That is equal to the power into time. So power is 1.5 kilowatts multiplied by the time is 1.75 hours. So this is equal to 2.625 kilowatt hour. So this much energy is being consumed. But what is the cost for consumption? The consumption is given as 8.2 cents per kilowatt hour. So now we can calculate the cost. So cost is equal to 8.2 cents per kilowatt hour. So multiplied by this 2.625 kilowatt hour, that would give you the cost. So this is equal to 21.525 cents. So this is the cost. So if you want to convert it into dollars, then this cost is equal to $20. So if you want to convert, so cost in dollar is 0.215. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, thank you. Hope you have understood.